Myself, Mrs. Pragya Nayak. I came Chennai just 1 year back. So one day I met my friend and I was actually eagerly waiting to learn about the cakes. So she told me about Anjana, and I contacted Anjana and asked about when are you going to teach the cakes. So she told me that I will inform you very soon, and one day she called me up and told me about the that I am going to start the start to teach. So we just started yesterday, and today we finished all this with 7 cakes, and it was just, I can say, very wonderful the way she teaches, and she is very knowledgeable about this. Also she has so much confidence, which makes us, I think, which makes us like what you can perfect.